Oh, it's more, okay.
That's him.
That's the one. That's the one. It's a cat.
Is
Look
that
at
a cat?
Yep.
Is that a cat?
That's that channel, man.
Is that a real cat?
That's that channel.
Is that a real cat?
Monster. Oh, yes.
So that's not a baby cat.
Nothing baby about it,
I
man.
told you when I saw that fool thing.
Nothing baby about it, man. Nothing baby about it, man. That's, I wonder, you see how they did the fish?
Yeah.
That may be who cut the head of it off. Man, I'm talking about cut it nothing, or left nothing but the head, Chelsea. But look at that, no. On a drop shot rig, Dad has done it again with the channel cat, who is about to act out as I weigh him.
Look how big he is.
That's a big mama. That's a big mama right there.
Look how big.
That's
carrying eggs.
That's yeah.
That's female.
Yeah, that's female.
She got the eggs.
She ready. She is ready. All right, let's see. Oh, it's just in the whisker. You sure enough did it official.
Yeah.
Catfish Warriors.
He was moving.
And I'm talking. Oh, mama. Represent.
Are you sure you want this?
Yeah. All right.
'Cause I want something else.
You are at 2 and wait a minute. That's 3.
Gotta be.
That's 3 and some change. That's
Gotta
3,
be.
3.5.
The way she barked.
Yeah, that's 3.5 right there. That's 3.5. Let me get that on camera. Show it up close. Talk to him, man. Art life, y'all. It's integrity, y'all. It's purpose. It's legacy, y'all. It's Onyx Con, y'all. Man, I just knew it was on there when it went down. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Ain't nothing like the bend on that lightweight pole.
Bend it like a banana.
Oh my gosh. And we are rolling. He heading for the trees. He trying to get you up to some stuff. If I can get him over there. He trying to get
Don't do that.
trying to get to them trees. Ooh wee. Oh my gosh.
Don't do that, man.
You almost had him up to the top then. I saw it. Or at least I saw the swirl.
I guess you want to bring him
Yeah, bring him this way. That's fine.
but I don't want to get him on the other line.
Oh, right. And there he is, all up in the line.
All up in the other line.
Oh my gosh, no. Ooh. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, here we go. Now we clear. Yeah. Keep him right there. We're gonna work it out. Just ease him over. Ain't no thing. All up in the other line. Ooh.
That's bad.
What? Oh, that's one of them hybrids. Yes, sir. Oh man, no wonder you pulling like that. Man, you are doing the ultimate example of true multi-species today. What in the
All over the world.
all over the world?
All over the world.
That's my daddy.
All over the world.
Man, I'm talking about, I kept seeing one like this and saying, I sure hope we run into one today.
Run into one.
Oh my gosh, man.
That's been over.
Oh my God! For good reason. Look at the size of this. What you want to call it? It's beyond chunky. It's just. Oh my. Yes, you know you bad. Do that. It's your bad hybrid self. Love it, man.
But did you save the swivel?
Man, silly. You are at.
Not the hook. It's
Man, that's
Man,
two.
you can't-
That's 2.5, man.
Can you imagine what three?
What 3 would look like? Wait a minute, let me make sure. Before, wait a minute, no, that is. Wait a minute. Is that? No, I'm sorry. That's 3. So that's why I gotta get another digital scale because
It's gotta be. I'm
This
looking
is
at
so-
looking at the girth on that big board.
yeah, that's sweet, man. That's sweet. Hold that, man.
And you talking about now?
Well, that's okay. That'll work. You swim into the wind. We know you running.
know you going against current.
Yeah, somebody running. He's dipping and dodging left and right. Yeah, he's chasing. Might be another Kentucky. Yes, sir. I saw it riding it out. Oh, that was beautiful. Goodness. Yeah. Oh man, I got the thing right there running over.
Really?
Yes, sir. It's
Why
okay.
are you doing that?
It's called fish.
What is the behavior
Oh
pattern
my,
here?
yes. Look at that pole being under the boat. Under the Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, man, you getting a ride. Look at that. Look at. Oh, Bassathon. That's your boy. He is serious too. He is serious. He is serious. Oh, not Kentucky.
It's like that.
He got it in the gill. He got it in the under of his gill. That's why he like, what? This was not supposed to happen. I was supposed to get away. I told my friends, watch this.
Man, I do this all the time.
Right. You know,
They never get me.
he told his buddies, he said, watch
They
this.
don't ever get me.
Man, with that wiry hook. I always say, when you got that, it gets them. It gets them. It does not matter. But I tell you what, we're gonna have to replace this one because he done bent it and everything just to get it out. Look at it. Yes, sir. There he is,
What, like he was,
Mr. 1 pound. You know how they do.
yeah, he's a runner. He's real game.
I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it for the heck of it, just out of respect, just to make you feel big. You know.
He won.
Yeah. Yep. Right on it.
One for fun.
One for fun all day. Yes, sir.